You know nothing about nails, but you want to wear fake nails. You want to wear fake nails, but you don't want to use nail glue. You are scared of nail glue. You want a quick, easy manicure on the go. You want to wear fake nails occasionally. You want to glue your fake nails without damaging your nails. You want a quick way to glue your fake nails. Hi, I'm Michael. Welcome to my channel where I make videos about whatever crosses my mind. Today I'm showing you one quick way to glue your nails without using nail glue. This is basically how I do my nails. I want to start by saying that I'm not a nail professional. I absolutely know nothing about nails. I suggest you do your own research or go to a nail professional if you want more information about nails, so don't come for me. That being said, if you want a quick, mess-free, easy way to do glue, apply your fake nails, just keep on watching. The nails that I'm using are these navy blue medium coffee nails. This is the nail shade that I always go for. This styles suits perfectly my nails and my hands. And the way that I'm going to glue them is by using these double-sided nail glue stickers. So you can do this on your nails just like that, or you can clip them before doing this. Also, two things that I personally don't do but you could do it is polishing your nails. So basically you just have to remove the shine on your nails and wipe your nails with an alcohol wipe. But personally, I don't do this. If I'm on a rush, I don't have time for that. I don't do it. I just skip to the nail application. So I have a sheet. I'm basically just putting the stickers on top of my nail to see what fits best. You have different sizes. You have a lot of sizes. You have really tiny ones. You have really large ones right here. This step is important because you don't want to be using a sticker that's way too big for your nails or way too small for your nails. For example, for my thumb, I feel like this size is the best one. You want to select a sticker that covers the most surface of your nails. When you found the one, all you have to do is remove it from the sheet and stick it on your nails. Now, all you have to do is remove the plastic just like that. And now you can apply your fake nail and press. Depending on the occasion, I press them hard or not. For example, if I know that I'm going to wear them for an hour, I won't press them as hard as if I was going to wear them for an entire day. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to press it just a little bit because I know that I'm going to remove them after. For example, last Saturday, I went hiking for the entire day and I decided to wear fake nails. It was a last-minute decision and I managed to do it in literally 12 minutes. I pressed them as hard as possible because I knew that I was going out for the entire day and I wanted them to stick really well. And they literally lasted for the entire day. So this is what it looked like. Oh my god, I love navy blue. You can see that they're not moving, they're not like flimsy and bendable. This is really strong. Personally, I wear fake nails when I know that I'm not going to be doing crazy stuff with my hands, like cooking, washing the dishes, opening a soda can. The only crazy things that I do is opening doors, showing off my nails, waving at someone, doing the peace sign. Now I'm going to show you how I remove them. This is how I do it. I'm not saying it's the best, safest way, so don't come for me. You just have to feel it and apply a slight pressure, enough for the nail to come off but not break, just like that. And then it's gone. Sometimes the sticker sticks to your fake nail, sometimes it's to your nail, so don't be scared. You can just remove it with your nail easily, just like that. Your fake nail is as good as new and your nail is not damaged. If the sticker sticks to your nail, you can just remove it just like a normal sticker. My nails are not damaged. There's no residue of glue. They are not sensitive, so I'm happy. So this is how I do my nails, really quick and easy. The link to these double-sided nail glue stickers is in the description box. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment. I have a goal this year for my channel where I want to hit 1K subscribers by August 27. If you want to help me, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, watch my videos from start to end, like and comment on my videos. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me. I see you guys in my next video. Bye!